Yeah, I wasn't born to be average, I was born to be extraordinary. So I gotta pull the trigger, doing everything that's necessary. Sometimes it gets scary, and sometimes it gets lonely, but I still gotta push through. I gotta craft and I will hone it, and all the damn wanna own me, but I'm not their blade. I'm an independent powerhouse, and I will stare them in the face. As I take what is mine, they start to think I'm insane. They look at me like I'm crazy, but I don't care anyway. I'm just really doing what I got to do, and I got no plan to quit. So I just gotta keep rocking, and you know that's what it is. Every shot that I do not take, I am guaranteed to miss. So I better grab that rifle and start lining up the hits.